Why do you have to always to make it hard for people to make an initiative? What is it for you? 'Di ba? Ano yung mapapala mo na una-una, anong mapapala mo if you keep on saying things like na, ay, itong petition na ito, if you're going to badmouth the petition, ano ba to? Kasi meron kasing criticism. Alam mo, yung internal criticism sa mga magkakatoto, mga parehong paniniwala. Meron internal criticism, pero gusto mong pagandahin yung initiative. Pero kung yung criticism mo, it's not for the purpose of making the initiative better, then there is something wrong with the hanash. Diba? It's not helping anything. So ibig sabihin, there is some other motives why you're doing that. Hindi ba? I'm not saying that there is, but it is likely for people to be it is likely for people to be suspicious. You can always criticize as someone, etc. Tapos may mga nababasa-basa ko dito, bakit kailangan ng personal information, ganyan, na parang, parang halatang hindi nyo alam kung para saan yung petition. So, ibig sabihin, alam mo yung tipong, Bex, para kang pumunta ng, alam mo yung, para kang meron, na merong nagchichismisa sa ako. Tapos bigla ka nakisali, tapos hindi mo alam yung pinag-uusapan.
True.
Bakla hindi mo alam pinag-uusapan, bakit ka nakikisali? Criticisms are okay, especially if the criticism is meant to make the initiative better. Hindi ba? Ngayon, if the criticism is not meant to make the initiative better, therefore, the criticism is meant to derail the initiative. What is it? What could it be? Alam mo namang meron pong middle ground. Anong middle ground naman dun? Ano to? The criticism is meant to what? So, kailangan talaga, pwede rin naman gusto mo lang mag-criticize because gusto mo lang mag-criticize. Gusto mo lang pumutak. Diba? Pwede rin naman yan. And either your criticism is meant to just make putak, or your criticism is meant to derail the initiative. Those baskets, if you belong to those two baskets, then might as well, no? Might as well criticize for derailing. Lahat tayo nangangapa kung papaano mapapabalik sa PRRD ng Pilipinas. So all initiatives are welcome. Hindi mo kailangan ng centralized. We need all initiatives. Hindi natin kailangan magpulong-pulong, mga kababayan, magpulong-pulong tayo dito para bakla, walang panahon. Walang pera, walang panahon. Kung sa tingin ninyo itong grupo na to, yung initiative nila, nagdududa kayo, hindi magiging successful, hindi gumawa kayo ng sarili ninyo. Kailangan, iisa lang naman yung goal eh. Ano ba yung goal? Mapabalik si PRRD ng Pilipinas. That is the goal. Can the goal be achieved by different means? Of course! Wala namang pipigil sa'yo kung gusto mong gawin yung goal mo, no? Sabi nga sa pelikulang Temptation Island, mas maraming panty, mas maraming isda. Sa mga bakla kayo ng taon, yun ang tatandaan ninyo sa buhay ninyo. Mas maraming panty, mas maraming isda. Nagigets ninyo, mga bakla kayo ng taon, if you have different means to achieve the goal, then the goal becomes achievable. Okay? So, kung nagdududa kayo sa isang means, then make another means in order to make the goal achievable. Kasi, this is what you call, this is what you call in complexity science, charot. When multiple paths are available for the same destination, the destination is more likely to be arrived at. Tandaan ninyo yan ha sa inyong buhay. If multiple paths are available for the same destination, the destination is likely to arrive at. So itong petition nila, this is one path. Hindi ka sure sa path na to, gumawa ka ng ibang path. So if you have several groups opening different paths to the same destination, mathematically, the destination could easily be arrived at. Nagigets nyo?
You have more chances of winning. Oh.
Yes. The more entries you send, the more chances of
The more
winning.
chances of winning. Correct.
Kaya, if you think yung pag ano mo dun sa isang path will make the destination achievable pero wala ka namang alternative path, bakla you're making the destination less achievable in the long run. So, hindi naman tayo magkakaiba ng destination in mind. Well, that's my assumption. So, if the destination is in mind is mapauwi si PRRD alive, then let's focus on that. Open up different paths for that goal. Hindi yung mga bakla kayo ng taon, hindi to parlor, no? Merong totoong buhay na there is a real life that we are trying to save in The Hague. The more that we spend our energy in making different paths unattractive, the more that life would suffer the consequences of our actions. Kasi hindi nga natin sigurado kung mapapauwi. If you don't open different paths for that to be achievable, then wala nang mangyayari talaga. Ito pa lang yung path. O magpe-petition sa Supreme Court. O mag-open din kayo ng ibang path. Hindi ba? Lalo na yung mga international, mga bloggers, no? Mga international na nasa labas ng bansa. Why don't you petition your government? Why don't you petition your government? Especially if your country is a member of the ICC.
That's what the OFW in Japan did. Nagpetition sila sa Japanese government na if in case na yung Japan ang mapili na country para magstay si PRRD, interim release nila, na pumayag ang Japan. Ganon. Ginawa ng mga OFW sa Japan.
So, ganun yung gawin ninyo. Tingnan niyo yung mga member states ng ICC. Kasi December na ngayon, merong Assembly of States. Dito nagmi-meeting yung budget ng ICC. So, alam mo yon, ito nga, yung mga nasa Pilipinas, sila ipipetition nila. Malamang yung Philippine government. Malamang hindi si BBM, yung Supreme Court, no? Because that is the only thing that they can think of. Di ba? Ano pa bang gagawin natin? Wala naman tayong magagawa na, kundi ito na lang. Di ba? This is like our, the thing that we could do. Pero, if you think that there are other good paths, open it. Ibig sabihin, buksan mo yung path na yon, no? More paths to the same destination make the destination likely to arrive at. That's a mathematically precise statement, and it's a law. No? So, yung mga side comments, etc., whatever, it's not gonna be helpful because it is not a path that would actually lead to the destination. And malinaw naman sa ating lahat, ang ating destination na gusto is mapabalik si Pilipinas, si PRRD.
Yes,
Bring him
buhay.
home. Bring him home.
Correct.
Diba, lalo na ng buhay. And that's the only thing. So, open all the paths that you can think that could make it happen. It doesn't mean that you need to take the path that Joey and others are taking. It doesn't mean that. Open. If you cannot open a path, better shut up. Because time is of the essence here. PRRD is 81. So, open those paths. My God, 1 year na tayo, mag-1 year na tayo nagbabangayan about kung sinong totoong DDS. Putang ina. Is our goal to actually determine kung sinong totoong DDS? Is that our goal? Is that your goal in life? My God, that's the goal of the ego. Ang goal is mapabalik si PRRD sa Pilipinas. If you don't like the initiative of itong mga hinayupak na mga to,
Think of
gumawa ka
something.
ng ano. Think of your own.
Correct.
Doon mo i-focus yung energy mo.
And you know what? If you would be able to come up of something else that is very helpful, very innovative, and very creative na para mapauwi si PRRD, I would gladly support that. Kahit pa busit na busit ako sa inyong lahat. I would
Miss
gladly
Joey.
support it. Because the goal here is PRRD. It's not my buwisit to you. Kahit gusto kayong pagsasasapakin at batuhin ng tae sa mukha isa-isa, kahit gusto kong gawin yan, if you would be able to come up with certain ideas that is creative enough, innovative enough, but you are able to find ways to do this in a much better, more effective way para mapauwi si PRRD, susuportahan ko kayo, tutulungan ko kayo.
Actually,
Because
we
the goal
don't
here is bigger than my feelings, no? And bigger than my annoyance to all of you.
Actually, dapat kasi maging realistic ang lahat. No one among us know how to actually resolve this issue. None. Why? Because this is something that we have never encountered before. That's why more paths, more initiatives, the better.
The better.
Kasi hindi nga natin alam kung paano ito masosolve eh. So, mag-open kayo ng lahat ng paths, ng directions, all kinds of initiatives. Pero kung nag-iisa na nga lang yung initiative eh. Gusto niyo pa sirain, ano ipapalitin nyo? Ano ipapalitin nyo? Dahil walang formula for this kind of, wala tayong time-tested formula for this problem. Nagigets ninyo? Wala. So, maging realistic kayo. Kasi naman no, mag-masturbate kasi kayo para mawala.
Correct. Just
Mag-mute kayo. Kasi init ng ulo. Wala tayo, we don't know anything. So, be creative, create more paths. Hindi natin alam kung anong way ang magtatagumpay. We live in absolute uncertainty. And in times of absolute uncertainty, the more initiatives that you do in order to reach the goal, the better. Kung ayaw niyong makinig, balang si Batman.